Custom luxury awaits in West Lynn's coveted Robinwood neighborhood. This Palisades-built home on nearly an acre backs to a natural treat area and creek, just minutes from the Cedar Oak boat ramp on the Willamette River. Head inside and discover a masterfully crafted interior with built-ins and 10-foot ceilings, an open floor plan that lends itself to entertaining. The chef's kitchen features a huge island, quartz countertops, stainless appliances, a farmhouse sink, and a walk-in pantry. It opens to a cozy sitting room, and a barn door leads to the convenient mudroom. Designed for the best in Northwest living, a large slider opens to the covered outdoor deck, where you can take in the private yard while gathering by the gas fireplace and barbecue kitchen. Rounding out the main level is an office space and powder room. On the upper level, the grand primary suite is elegantly designed with a second office, nursery, or reading room. Plus a gorgeous bathroom with spa-inspired finishes and fixtures, and a dream oversized closet. This home of more than 4,500 square feet has an inviting vaulted bonus room, which could be an additional bedroom. This upper level has 4 generous bedrooms, including 2 connected by a Jack and Jill bath. And another full bath by the 4th bedroom. The sprawling yard extends to a tranquil creek, an ideal space to relax under the trees, connect with nature, and make memories by the outdoor fire pit. With the 4-car garage, boat, and RV parking, you also have room for all of your toys. Get ready to fall in love here on Robin View Drive. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Kali Naone with Premier Property Group.